Hey, I'm Sonia. If you've been creating content for a while, you already know this truth. The burnout isn't imaginary, it's real. For the last 5 years, my life has been online, posting, filming, planning, showing up no matter what was happening behind the scenes. And at some point, life got heavy. I was drained emotionally, mentally, spiritually, but content didn't stop asking from me. Get ready. Set up the camera, change outfits, rewrite the hook, take it again and again, asking family to help me film, buying new gear, thinking maybe that would fix it. And every time it felt like I was forcing myself to perform instead of create. That's when I realized something. I didn't need more motivation. I needed support. When I discovered AI and learned this specific skill, it honestly stopped me in my tracks. Not because it felt trendy, but because for the first time, I wasn't abandoning myself to keep up. I learned how to create ultra-realistic B-roll and influencer-style lifestyle content without filming myself at all. No camera, no lighting, no exhausting prep, just intention and creativity. I'm about to show you a quick tutorial on exactly how I do this. How I use simple images, mostly from Pinterest, as inspiration to create unlimited content that looks real, polished, and scroll-stopping. Once you see it, you're going to be hooked because it feels like freedom. This content now shows up for me consistently, even on days I need rest, even when life gets loud. And here's the part that changed everything. I use this exact content to sell my digital products every single day. So I package the entire process into a course, step by step, no fluff. So you can start using this method to make money online too. You can use it for your own digital product. You can use it as an affiliate, or you can resell this course and build income with the exact system I use. This isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about protecting your energy, about letting something support you instead of draining you. If you've ever loved creating but felt exhausted by it, you're exactly who this was made for. Let me show you how it works.
So you're going to come into higgsfield.ai. This is where you're going to create your character. So first things first, come up to character and go to Soul ID character. Obviously, you're going to have to log in, create an account and all that. Once you do that, this is where you're going to go. Then you're going to create a character. So you're going to follow the steps. You're going to come back to explore. You can scroll all the way down and you're going to find reference extension. So once you find reference extension, you're going to click on that. It's going to redirect you to the Chrome web store, and then you're going to download the Higgsfield Chrome extension. It's free. I already have it. That's why you don't see the option here. Once you have that, you are now ready to start recreating some images using an inspo image that you find either on Pinterest or on any other website. So literally you can recreate any image that you see on a website. So let's just use Pinterest because this is the easiest way. Let's say you want to recreate this image. As you can see, as you hover over it, because you have the Chrome extension, you're going to see the Higgsfield recreate button pop up here. All you're going to do is click on that. This screen is going to pop up. Make sure you have your character selected. I'm going to keep the aspect ratio 9:16 because that's what social media uses. Once you're happy with that, let's go back, sorry. Once you're happy with that, you're going to hit generate. So it says generation started. You're going to go back into Higgsfield, go under images, and it's going to give you 4 different variations of that image using your character. So wait until this uploads and then you can start creating some videos with it. So this is the way that I've been able to create non-stop, unlimited B-roll influencer style content for my page. I've created all of my content for social media, my AI content for social media with this method. And it's allowed me to regain my time. I've been able to heal my nervous system because I was going through personal things. I was just able to take that pressure off myself. It takes a lot. If you've been doing content creation for years, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But also, if you're just starting out, it is overwhelming, especially in the beginning. And then you kind of gain momentum, you feel good about your content, but then there does come a time where you start to think, oh my God, is my whole life going to be revolved around content days and planning and scripting and getting ready and, purchasing equipment and paying for expensive, studios or photographers to help you with your content, because the burnout is real. So this has allowed me to take some of my time back. I can focus on now building my brand, scaling my course. And I've applied this concept to some of my other brands. So let's go back into Higgsfield. Look at that. Like, how cool is that? It's so amazing that it can take any inspo picture and it's not going to be identical. So you don't ever have to worry about someone saying, oh, you took this image and you copied it exactly. No, it takes like the vibe of the image, the overall aesthetic, and obviously keeps some of these colors and schemes and all that stuff in mind. But you're in a whole different setting. Like, here she looks like she's on vacation and you can kind of see the water in the back, right? So you will never know. And it comes out amazing. You're going to select the one that you want to use for your video. So let's say I want to select this one. You can click on it and come down here and click on animate. It'll bring you here. You're going to add in your prompt. You're going to select your model, duration, aspect ratio, and then you're going to click generate. All right, let's check it out. And that's how you create B-roll style content using Higgsfield. Don't be alarmed if your character doesn't come out perfect in the beginning. You can go back and recreate your character. In my course, I teach you exactly how to do that, how to train your LoRa, which is your data set, to create your clone the correct way. You're also going to learn some of my tips and tricks that I use to scale my personal brands, to grow on social media. And I've been in the marketing space for the last 5 years. I started in network marketing, got into affiliate marketing, then more digital marketing, then AI content creation, because I wanted to use AI to build my brands. And that's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm teaching inside Cloned. You will learn everything from AI branding to creating your AI images, using those images, creating your AI videos and the types of videos. So it's like B-roll, talking head, multi-scene, viral trends, all that. Voice cloning and lip syncing, editing reels with CapCut, and then launching online. But you guys are going to be in for a treat because you get grandfathered in the price that you see today. So all future updates are going to be completely free for you. There's no upsells. Once you're in, you're in. Learning the skill of selling online, not only that, using AI tools to do that is going to be a skill that nobody can take away from you. I know it's scary out there with, how AI is progressing, but this is where you start. This is how you take your first step into that space. And you're going to be learning it from me. I'm a real person behind the scene. I am using AI, yes, to make my life easier. That's what it's here for. And the faster you guys get on track with it and you come to terms with it, the faster you'll be able to also be a part of it and claim your piece of the puzzle. So if you are done waiting on the sidelines and you're done watching all these other people online make money with digital products, with AI content, then this course is for you. I've made this with the beginner in mind. So it's going to be a fun experience for you. You're going to learn a lot and you're going to get addicted to it. So I'm excited to see you guys inside Cloned. Make sure you purchase it ASAP because the price that you see today is probably going to be the lowest price you will ever see it at.